Hey, how's it going, everybody? Bringing you past the mama, and there's the papa. So I'm going to run you through the Polaris head unit today. Hey guys, how you going? So I'm just going to run you through the Polaris unit that we've now put in the 79 series. It is absolutely amazing. It's totally changed the truck. A couple of good reasons is the reversing camera. For me, safety is second to none. So I've just put a basic wallpaper at the back there, but I can show you how you can change all that. There's two major things for us that have changed the car. One is not just your general navigation. Just go back to the home. It is this OX Explorer. It is insane. So this is basically Hammer Maps. So when we went down to Coomba Tops, it was absolutely amazing. It literally showed us where we were. There's all these other little options on the side here. It's just phenomenal. There was that much to learn. It's got its own instruction book in here, so if you want to sit here and read those instructions, it tells you exactly how to use it. Everything from how to Bluetooth to it, how to load photos, how to Bluetooth your phone so you can use it as a hands-free. There is nothing this thing cannot do. Anyway, if I go back to the home there and we put her into reverse. I'll just reverse back a little bit so you can see. But for me it's a deal breaker because actually Rod and I went out on a little test track, which I'll put the video, might put the video up on the back of this one anyway. And it's a tight little track that we use to test out any vehicles that we've ever had. And had he not had this, I would have had to been running around from front to back to guide him before he would go over the side. An insane view down there. Luckily we've got the Polaris reversing camera in there right now, so Rod can see where he's going. So Rod can go backwards and forwards and know what he's doing, see where he is. So yeah, fantastic little. And look at it in the actual car. It looks fantastic. The setup's neat. It's tidy. I'll just go back into the shade under the carport so you can shoot a little bit better. Yeah, so a ton of options, absolutely ton of options. Google Play Store, gallery, you have photos. Rod has it Bluetooth to his own music. The time you can change. One thing I do love about it is you can just have the clock. So you can just have the clock there as you're driving along. For me, I don't necessarily need to know where I'm going when I'm around town. I just like to have the clock there. And it actually shows you in other places what the time is. So yeah, it's got a timer, a stopwatch, an alarm. It's almost like a phone. It's so very similar to a phone. The features are incredible. So the radio, you can just mute it from the side. If you want to have it on, you can control it from here or control it from here. I don't want to get copyrighted, so we're going to mute that. Here's the date, 2nd of the 2nd, 2021. Just very easy to use. I mean, it depends on how far you want to go into it. There's an amplifier there, so if you're really into your music, you can have effects in there, a fader in there. Just go back on the back button. Auxiliary in. It does actually still have a CD player up here. It's got a position for an SD card, and you've got a USB port here. You also got an auxiliary point as well. Do emails. So once you've either hotspotted it or put it onto Wi-Fi somewhere, you can pretty much do anything you want. Go into settings. There's all different things you can play around with. The display, the security, screenshot, sound. absolutely love it, guys. It's literally changed the car. Safety and just the looks of it. It's just such a neat and tidy system. It really is. So Polaris, absolutely awesome job. And like I said, anything you want to know, everything's on here, which I find brilliant. Rather than having to get out a book and go and read it, literally shows you what you can do. Look at this. Steering wheel study allows you to reprogram your steering wheel controls if necessary. So you must be able to have a front view camera. Oh, GPS info, I thought that was good too actually. So it's got a GPS test here. Yeah, you can test. Literally tells you your location. There we are in Australia. It's pretty cool. Literally tells you what degrees you are. Yeah, mad. Now if you're out bush, out in the middle of nowhere, some of these systems would be absolutely brilliant. And then there's a search there, so if you want to search for something you can go in and do it that way. Yeah, so really happy with it. Stoked with the reversing camera. I think it's absolutely brilliant. Big shout out to Polaris and a thank you. You guys are legends. Yeah, we'll talk to you again soon, guys. Thanks for tuning in as always. Please subscribe, like, share, follow, and we'll catch you again soon. Ciao, bye.